Hello. If you like the way backpacks look and the way they feel, but you're not sure of ways into them and out of them, I'm going to share some of my favourites with you. And they start from moves that are completely friendly for beginners, total beginners, up to some slightly more challenging ones. So, first one we're going to share is this one. The hoop is held around you. It might have just been waist hooping, or you're just holding it up. And we're going to lift it up. And we're going to lower it down. And put our arms out. And there you are in the backpack. And to come out of it, we're going to do a little shimmy. So we just do a little shimmy and shake to let it go down. And hold it. And you're out. The second one is going to be a cascading fold. That's where you twiddle the hoop between your thumb and fingers, and we're going to twiddle it down and twiddle it up. And as it's coming up, we're going to take it underneath and turn it over so that our thumbs are down, and we can lift it up and over. So that looks like and to come out of this one, I'm going to do this, one of my favourite ways. I'll slow it down. So, either side you can do it. I'm going to sort of let it, with the crook of my elbow, I'm going to push the hoop around to the front. It's going to keep going round until I can then grab it with my hand there. And then I let it fold out, out, out. Number 2. Number 3. We're going to put our arms through the hoop, and we're going to hold the hoop to our hearts because we love our hoops. And from there, just using our arms a little to help it over, we're going to push it up, lift up above our heads, and ease it down. And a little tip is if you lean forward a bit, it's less likely to fall to the floor, so you lean forward a bit so it gets to rest on your shoulder as you put your arms out. And all these different ways in and out can be mixed and matched in different orders, but I'm going to show you a way out that uses hands to the heart again. So you're going to bring it round to the front and put your hands to your heart again, lift it up, let it go over and down. So we step back through it, and there we are. That was the hands to heart, which means we're on to number 4, by which time I need to check my list. I have a list. I needed a list. Number 4. Oh, isopops and linear isolations. Now, if you don't like these, you might need to miss this one out, but it might be your thing. So, it can be done with an isopop or a linear isolation, where you push it over, let it roll over the back of your hand to the other side. Now we get to the fun part, the bit with the backpack. So there's your hoop. You're going to pretend it's your coat at the end of a party where someone's holding it up for you and you're about to put your coat on. Turn round and you put your first arm in the sleeve like that, and then you put your other arm in the other sleeve and you say thank you very much because they helped you. And there you are. Right, to come out of this one, you could do a little isopop on that side. And in fact, you can go straight from the isopop into a backpack. And you could start doing it on that side, back, and that side. The back could go on forever. So that's your isopoppy linear isolation one. And the next one, side weave. I like this one. So there we go. It's going to look rather like that. And I'll show you from behind. So we're going to do a side weave by taking the hoop down in front for 1, behind for 2, and bring it back in front for 3, behind for 4, on 5, instead of coming down in front, we're going to do the same action but behind us, so it pops straight into the backpack. How would we come out? Well, actually, we can come out by doing the same thing on the other side. So we could just keep going with these. Quite good fun. was number 5, wasn't it? So number 6, ooh, hand spins. Now, we're cranking up the risk factor a bit. I'm in a room with a ceiling. If you were outside, you could toss it way up and make it spectacular. But this is going to be like a mini toss. And we're going to do that. Now, the thing with this is you're hand hooping with it. So hand hoop, and you're looking for the gap. As it goes up, or if you're outside as it comes down, you're looking for the gap to shove your other arm in. Because you shove your other arm in before you turn around, as you're turning around. So it's arm in, turn, and as you turn, the other one goes in. Now, if you want to add some extra fun to this, and this probably won't work, but you can go under your knee with the toss. Whee! And when it works, it's really good fun. So that's a nice one. No, I haven't got us. Have I got us out of this? What am I supposed to be doing to get out of this? Oh, right. Okay. Sorry, this isn't very professional, is it? But we're friends, so it's okay. So I'm going to slide it up to there, bring it out, and swing it over so I can roll it in a little half roll. Only got one more. Good thing really, isn't it? I'm getting a bit overexcited. Right, this one was the one I found the hardest to learn, the escalator and up. Now, you do an escalator as you would normally, but what you do is you shove both arms up and look up. And somehow, I think it's magic, the hoop gets into the right position for you to then do that. But you might need to help the magic a little bit. So when you go up, if it doesn't feel it's going to go all on its own, you can grab it and ease it down, which is a handy little cheat. So it goes up, see I've just grabbed it a little bit, and down, and there we are. And we've got one last way to come out as well, and we're going to do the one where you hook it with your knee. So it's, if you hook with the knee there, and use your hand to help bring it round, under, up, and over, and then you're going to, you'll see, hang on. So, here we are, crook of the knee, hand helps it over, give it to the other one, as it comes down, because look, we're in a good position to have a wedgie or two. Whee! Which is all a lot of fun. So anyway, I'm going to stop there. There are so many ways in and out of backpacks, and I'm sure you can think of loads. So I just want you to have fun and get creative and tell me all about it. But also, I've done these quite quickly so that this video wouldn't be too long. So if there's one you really like, but you want more detail, just ask me, because I like making videos, so I'll make you a video for it. But most of all, just